Hi friends, welcome to Tasty Food and Lifestyle. Monsoon takes a toll on our immunity and thus we become prone to various bacterial, viral and fungal infections. A healthy and balanced diet plays a major role in strengthening our immune system. Today, I have come with an effective home remedy to support our immunity, which I have been trying for the past few months and it really worked well for our family. So I thought of sharing it in this video. You can prepare this drink by using these 6 ingredients: turmeric, pepper, cinnamon, ginger, honey, and lemon, which is easily available in our kitchen. Now, let us see how to prepare the simple but effective immunity booster drink. Crush the cinnamon, pepper, and ginger and keep it aside. Add 2 glasses of water in a pan and allow it to boil. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the water. Then add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder to the water. Finally add the crushed ginger. Allow the water to boil for 10 to 12 minutes so that the ingredients will nicely get infused in the water. A refreshing cup of drink is ready to serve. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to the drink and garnish it with a slice of lemon. You can have this drink once or twice a day as per your requirement.